The controversy surrounding Imane Khelif involves several legal aspects, primarily revolving around sports eligibility regulations, anti-discrimination laws, and the management of misinformation. Khelif's disqualification from the 2023 IBA Women's World Championships was based on failing to meet the hormonal eligibility criteria set by the International Boxing Association, IBA. These rules are part of broader regulations intended to ensure fair competition, particularly in relation to testosterone levels, which have been contentious in the context of gender and athletics. The reinstatement for the Paris 2024 Olympics followed her compliance with the International Olympic Committee's IOC eligibility and medical regulations. The application of eligibility rules based on natural hormonal levels can intersect with anti-discrimination protections. Legal frameworks such as the Equality Act 2010 in the UK prohibit discrimination based on gender and other protected characteristics. There is an ongoing legal and ethical debate about whether such eligibility criteria unfairly discriminate against women with naturally high testosterone levels, potentially violating their rights to participate in sports without facing undue barriers. The spread of false information labeling Khelif as biologically male could potentially constitute defamation. The dissemination of such misinformation can harm her reputation and career, raising legal questions about accountability and recourse for the affected individual. Laws against defamation and false representation may come into play, as well as social media platforms' policies on misinformation. Disputes arising from eligibility and compliance issues often involve arbitration by bodies like the Court of Arbitration for Sport. Athletes may challenge disqualifications or eligibility rulings through these legal channels, seeking a fair resolution based on the principles of sports law and governance. The arbitration process can involve complex legal arguments about the interpretation and application of sports regulations. Finally, the controversy also touches on issues of privacy and the confidentiality of medical information. The disclosure of an athlete's hormonal levels and other medical details must be handled in accordance with privacy laws and regulations to protect the individual's personal and sensitive information from unauthorized public exposure.